Today is Wednesday, June 26, 2013. This is the New York Times. And what they're showing here is the justices, alright?
Blacks in prison at a higher rate. Ratio 3 times those in college. Like I said, you're taking us from the cradle to the penitentiary and from the cradle to the grave. I was locked up with these individuals. I spoke to these individuals.
Made a movie and a documentary about the prison industry and the courts and how the courts are designed to enslave the underclass in America. It's a writ of certiorari that I'm getting ready to file with the courts. I'm a prisoner's right advocate, and this is about prisoners' rights.
Alright? Like I said, this is my minority report to the president.
Been doing this since 2006. This is a Supreme Court application.
Approach the court to deal with the issues that affect the black community and underclass. And to approach the Supreme Court, my lawyers need to file these papers. Mr. Waller knows about it. Schellenberger knows about it.
Schellenberger, Bernstein, Judge Turnbull, Judge Pearson, Judge Holland. These are rules of the Supreme Court of the United States, July 2007.
Senator Conyers got it, Cummings got it, everybody in Lake County got it. Because I told you what I was going to do before I got there.
It's a movie, and the movie is about our government. It's about Judgment Day. It's about the Supreme Court and how the Supreme Court is working for corporations and not the people. It's about the prison industry and how it's been privatized and the money that's being made behind it. It's about that toilet I left on North Avenue and the Baltimore Brew that I had everybody's name on it, George Bush, all the politicians. You need to get that toilet. It's evidence for a federal case. The federal case is in right there. 112CV03570GLR. That's the United States Federal Court, and it's against Governor O'Malley. And like I said, the Supreme Court is going to have to look at this case, and it's a whistleblower's application. Just like Snowden blew the whistle on the NSA, I'm blowing the whistle on Governor O'Malley and the prison industry in Maryland and in Illinois. It's about Judgment Day. The Dred Scott, the Supreme Court decision. It's a historical decision. And it says right here. It says it. This is about the Supreme Court today. It's about justice in America.
As long as my case open, I got all the time in the world.
And I got an open case, and I'm following through on everything I did. I told y'all, the videos on YouTube shows everything that I was doing, day for day, minute by minute, just like Doogie Howser. I did everything by computer. To dismantle a master's house, I use your tools.
It's a time and material job.
It's a time and material. Time to pay up. So here goes the blueprint. Here goes the case. And right here it says case number 0804000466820012 to Michael Fuller, Assistant State's Attorney, from Judge Turnbull, State of Maryland versus Dwayne G. Davis, case number K111091. I have attached a copy of the postcard and received from Mr. Davis in the above case. Please return this property. You ain't returned my property yet. The Supreme Court going to hear this case like Dred Scott, a right to property. I have a right to my property. And the New York Times already had this. The media already had this, and I'm going to show the role that the media played in this. This is all on videotape. Call it a ghetto Da Vinci Code. Questions presented, and I got plenty of them. Go to YouTube and see this.